I kind of went up through the middle part there, and then it comes off and you kind of go around a bit and then you come up the backside. Alrighty, the maps are in and we are off. Already done a bit of a food shop this morning, so I'm sorted for lunches and dinner for this little overnighter. Had some brekkie, got my coffee. That'll be my fuel for the day. But yeah, welcome back guys. It's Ben here. Just decided to go for a bit of a midweek overnighter. It's currently Wednesday and I am going to be heading south of Brisbane to a national park called the Girraween National Park, and there's this spot there called the Pyramid, which looks really cool. It's a bit of a hike. I think it's like a 2-hour hike, and it's this epic huge boulder within this national park, just naturally forming, that looks like really beautiful. So I might give that a bit of an explore and check that out. And then it looks like they've got some nice like campgrounds just sort of just off from the walking tracks at the base of the sort of the pyramid area. So yeah, it's currently 10:48. As is always the way, I'm getting away quite a bit later than I anticipated. I was aiming like leave at 10 at the latest, because it is a 3-hour drive from where I live. It's about 250 kilometers southwest of Brisbane, a little bit inland, kind of near Mount Barney, just a bit southwest of Mount Barney. So I won't be getting there till close to 2 o'clock, because I got to like fuel up anyway. So I'll eat up a bit of time too. So I'm probably just gonna have to like get there and go straight into the hike, I guess. I might have time to like chuck my gear out and like claim a spot in the little camping ground area, but that remains to be seen. Right now it's time to get some kilometers under the wheels. Okay, so we have made it to the Girraween National Park. Just parked the car up in the camping area here next to the facilities, and we are heading for the pyramid way up in the distance there. So bit of a walk to get there, but I reckon it'll be pretty spectacular once we do. And I've just been like checking out the board and stuff. Just down here it shows you the how far it is and like what the walking tracks are and whatnot. And I think I'll do this. It's about like 2:30 now. It says it's like a 2-hour return. Pyramid, that's what we're doing. 3.6 kilometer, 2-hour return. That is just for like this like red section here, and we're currently like over here. So I reckon I'm gonna like probably, let's say, add another hour to that for that little section. I say little, it's like half the size of this section. But yeah, it should be interesting. It says it's you need a good level of fitness and correct footwear. Don't know about the fitness department, but I got my boots on, so hopefully that'll be enough. And off we go. Let's go to that pyramid. Go check out the granite arch first. It's only 300 meters, so slight little detour. I think we got time for it. Saying it's a creation of Mother Nature. Combination of natural forces including water, wind and plants. So they reckon it started out like that, then I guess through wind and water and plants, roots growing through, cracks appeared, and somehow it ends up like that. It's hard to wrap your head around, isn't it? Very, very cool. Sends your imagination wild about ancient travelers of this land thousands of years ago, what they must have thought of it, or if they used it for shelter from like the hot sun as they were coming through, what kind of activity was going on around the area here. But yeah, anyway, we'll move on to the pyramid now. It's about 1.5 kilometers away, and there is quite a bit of cloud cover at the moment. I don't have reception or anything, so I don't know if it's meant to rain or whatnot, but fingers crossed it's not. I can see the peak, not too much further. I guess when it gets to this point, you're supposed to follow these white marks. It's pretty steep, so I'd say you'd want pretty good shoes with good grip, I think. Well, it doesn't seem like the best grip. See how we go. Don't know if you can really see that on the camera, but that is pretty bloody steep. Also, how's this for a view so far? Nearly there. And just like that, have made it to the summit of the pyramid. Whew, what a grueling walk. It is a steep climb up like smooth granite rock for that last, for just coming up like the face of it. Like all like down there. You can't see it, but it like goes down there. Damn, what a view, hey? I'm not the best with heights, so it's been a test of the nerves, this one. It's cool though, you can see my car is just like all the way down there, and that's the campground there. Come a long way. It's a cool area up here. God damn it. Alright, just had a bit of a pack up round camp, a bit of a morning coffee, and about to head off back to reality. I've got to get out of here kind of early anyway today because I got a uni class later on, and it's a good 3-hour drive back to Brizzy. But yeah, I think I would definitely recommend the Girraween National Park. It's a beautiful area. There's a ton of walking tracks around here. I mean, I only did the pyramid walking track, but on that board there, and if you look it up on Google, there's a ton of different tracks you can do. Lots of cool little spots to like explore around and go to. I just did like the pyramid walk and the granite arch, which both were amazing, and you get epic views of the whole landscape from the top of the pyramid, so I'd highly recommend that one. It's just very steep, so you need good shoes with like good grip, and it's pretty like grueling in the summer heat, so maybe do it at a cooler month. Or maybe just be a bit fitter than I am. But there's tons to explore around here. I'd highly recommend it, and it's a beautiful landscape. The campground's like really nice and pristine. Not like a huge campground. There's not like a ton of spots. Like I wouldn't Don't think I'd enjoy it too much if it was like super busy, because it's all quite close together, the camping sites. But I mean, that's a minor, you know, minor issue really. Like apart from that, it's a beautiful spot. The facilities are really nice and like well maintained. Everything's really like nice and clean. So yeah, highly recommend. Just get out there, or get out wherever your local national park or state forest is, and have an explore around. There's plenty to see.